This is our entry-level PDR Tech Kit. Just because it's entry doesn't mean it's not great. First off, it comes with our glue gun. When you get the glue gun, make sure you crank that all the way up. That activates the chemical components and the best glues on the planet. Inside, we have our 1.5 and 2-inch flex tabs. These are the ones that Charlie used to lift the car off the ground with our glue. Inside these, you will use our flex tab heads, strong, durable plastic hooks. It goes right inside like that. When you do press down these after the glue is applied to it, make sure you press on the back side of the tab. Otherwise, if you push on top, you create an uneven glue bed, which weakens your glue bond. Inside here, you have a little room to grow if you continue to buy other items and add to your kit. You have the 0.8, which uses the strong, durable plastic hook head, and again, push on the back side. The 1.5, you can bend 1, 2, or 3 to make it however you want. If you wanted to hook it on to the side and have a multiple plane pull. And then our 2-inch. Same thing. It comes with a single and a triple head of the strongest pulling tabs on the planet. You can bend these if you wish, if you warm these up and bend these to fit the contour of your dent, or it acts also as like a grip when you pull. It comes with a package of our OG crease tabs. It comes with one I-bar. So if you wanted to hook this in with a ratchet strap, a porta power, or if you wanted to have this on 2 planes of contact and pull to stretch that dent out so you can start laying down your crowns. Fantastic tool. This is multi-purpose. You can use this and pull with a ratchet strap. If you put glue on the face of this and pull, you can use it also. A lot of times you'll see me hitting a crown to knock it down like that, or most of the time, because of this angled edge, I need to get a little pop inside that glue to open that up so I can get my alcohol in there and break that glue bond. We have multiple shapes of our textured face tabs. And we have our multiple sizes of our flat tabs. Great pulling tabs. We have our wing long 6-inch M6. This is becoming my go-to tab for most things. I use it to stabilize a panel. I use it to pull a big dent, rocker, whatever it is. It's a great tool. Great to have in your arsenal. This is our flex tab. We have a dog leg curve tab. The rod will go straight through there and you'll pull against that. A longer OG crease tab. And our dog leg, one more additionally, a little thinner than the other one. That is our PDR Tech Kit. Check out our glues. They're specifically formulated to work and to bond with our plastics.